Ashley from Qbro, and we're going to be running through the Luna portable lift motor. So the Luna portable lift motor is one of the most technologically advanced portable lift motor units on the market. So let's run through the key points and why it is such an advantage to use this system over many other systems that we sell and other ones that are out there in the market. So the Luna portable lift motor, the first point I'd like to discuss is how slim it is. So being slim, it's very unobtrusive, so it's not an eyesore in the bedroom. But the other big advantage is having it slim means you get the maximum amount of lifting height in the bedroom. So when we've got the motor unit connected up to the traverse beam, having it slim means we get the maximum lifting range with using this motor. Now that's a key benefit when you're transferring larger residents from beds to chairs. So it just gives that extra bit of lifting height, which makes all the difference. Let's move on to the second point. So the second point is it has extremely powerful battery in this motor. The battery does over 50 lifts at over 100 kg, and that's at full transfer lifts. So what I'm trying to say there is that given that this motor unit is charged when it's not in use, so say for example overnight, the care staff will never be able to run the battery flat because you're not going to do more than 50 consecutive lifts in a row. So the battery is extremely powerful and it will outlast the amount of times you can do transfers in a row anyway. So you won't have the battery running flat on you. The next point is the handset. So the handset is extremely simple to use handset. Essentially all you need to worry about is the up and down buttons. So it's simple for the care staff. But the other big benefit is it also has the emergency stop located on the handset. Now the big advantage with that is it's not like many other systems out on the market. It doesn't have a pull down string coming out of the motor, which can then get tangled in the sling or frustrate the resident that is in the sling. So it's simple, it keeps the motor looking tidy, and it doesn't have anything dangling down out of the way that could potentially cause some trouble when doing a transfer. So very simple to use handset, and once again, that also works in conjunction with charging. So you plug the handset into a docking station, and that's how it charges. Around the back of here, we have the little power plug, which when this motor unit and the portable trolley is parked, we simply plug that into the wall, and that ensures the motor is getting its charge. Next on the list is the strap. So the strap on this motor unit, although it's very slim and unobtrusive, it is extremely tough. So the motor unit comes in a 200 kg model and a 275 kg model, but the strap itself is extremely durable. This strap itself is tested to 2.2 tonne, so it's very strong and robust and is going to last a long time. And that is backed up by the motor warranty which we have on it, which is 5 years. Moving on from that, we have what we call the speed adjustment system. So the speed adjustment system on this motor unit is unique, and what it essentially results in is a very, very smooth transfer. So when you're lifting the resident up out of the chair, it will go, as soon as the weight of the resident comes on, it will go slow. So it'll slow down and slowly speed up. So essentially what it means is when you're doing a transfer from a bed to a chair, it is very, very smooth for the resident. It's not going to cause any sudden movement or any jerks. It's going to go engage slowly and speed up as necessary. So it doesn't slow the transfer down because the speed still comes up, but it doesn't immediately engage at full speed. And also identifies that when there's no weight on the portable motor unit, it will just go straight to fast speed, which means it's still extremely quick at transferring between room to room. So that is the last point, is that from when you're transferring from room to room, the Luna motor system is very, very quick. It is the fastest unit to be transferred from room to room. You simply lower the motor unit onto the trolley via the reacher bar and connect it up, and you're ready to go immediately in action. So it is very, very fast, which is extremely important to the care staff because we don't want them to have any downtime while they're waiting for the motor unit to be connected up and put into use. So it is very quick, it's ready to go, and it is the fastest by far on the market compared to a lot of other systems out there where you're having to connect the motor up to the traverse beam above and wait for it while it's in the connecting process. Whereas this one, it's immediate. Any further questions, feel free to sing out. We'd love to help. Thank you.